Hi there and welcome to another Bits and Pieces challenge. This one is going to be for the month of June, but before I get started I want to say one more time thank you so much to all of you who played along in the last challenge. I was absolutely thrilled to receive so many entries. I had a lot of fun with it and it sounds like all of you enjoyed it as well. So I really hope you will join me again for the June challenge. I also hope that new viewers and YouTube friends will want to play along as well. Now the theme for our June challenge will be our world. Now under that umbrella you have lots of room to explore your imagination. You can absolutely go the nature route. You can do plants and flowers and animals and people too. You can also go the universe route, planets, stars, or maybe you have some issues you like to address, global warming, the weather, environmental questions. Anything that interests you along those lines will be a great interpretation of the theme. Now again, I picked items which I know you have readily available, or if not, you can pick them up easily. So let's go on to my first pile here, which is wrapping paper. You could use a thin one, you can use a bit sturdier, glossy type, whatever you may have. You may also use gift bags, big or small. Again, all these things can be cut apart, ripped, recolored, whatever you like. Now on the design for these wrapping paper, I would like to suggest that you stay away from animals or people images, as I have a resource for that later on. Next, I have a pile of envelopes here. Now, envelopes come in all kinds of different colors and sizes, and some of them have coloration on the inside as well. So you may use them again as collage material. Next, we have shopping receipts. Now, I know you have those no matter where in this very commercial world you live. And then kitchen foil or handy wrapping paper. So you can either use the foil straight, just the way it comes off the roll. You can crumble it and then straighten it out again. I usually use a brayer. You can use a rolling pin for that too. And yes, if you like candy and you have wrappers laying around, those would be part of this category. And on to some doodads. So here you have an option of using either coins, which I know you have somewhere in your purse. You may add brad tags, and you have seen me use those in some of my collages. Or you may add some paper clips, big ones, small ones, any color is fine. Next we have ribbons. Again, different sizes, fat ones, very skinny ones, see-through ones, multicolored ones, whatever you like and what fits your collage, go ahead and include it. And next we have a little selection of organic materials or imitation organic things. So here I have a real dried leaf, I have a feather, I have some branches, some tree bark, but then I also have some artificial flowers and leaves. So whatever you have in your stash along these lines will work. And then for the focal point, for this challenge we may pick an image from a magazine. So I have a National Geographic here, which of course has a lot of pictures about nature. But regular fashion magazines often have also very fun images, and you are of course welcome to combine two different images to create your own look. Now, aside from a focal point, I would also love for you to include a title on your page. It could be a word, it could be a phrase, anything that may give us a little inkling what you were thinking when you created your collage. As this theme is so broad, it might be interesting to know. So I usually cut out either phrases or words which have a nice shape, nice font, so I can use them in my collages. Now, if you don't find the right words, you may absolutely use individual letters and do the ransom note style pasting. That's fine too. So now it's in your court to go around your home and collect all these little treasures and create one of your fantastic art pieces. You can, of course, add any mediums you want. You can use stencils and stamps and your own tools, and I cannot wait to see what you come up with. You have all of June to work on your project, and any photos that arrive in my email dated June will be included in my follow-up video. Now, my video where I will create my page and I will include your photos will be posted in the first week of July. Now, I hope that many of you will join me for this challenge, and if you are a video creator, you can of course go ahead and post your work anytime you like. Please just put the hashtag BitsNPieces in your title so I can find you. Now, just like last time, I will again post the 8 categories right here at the end of my video for easy reference. I also will add additional information and a review in my description box below. So I really look forward to receiving your photos. I know we will have fun with this challenge. Thank you already for playing along with me. I see you really soon again, and bye-bye for now.